Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at some dogs around this house. So,
You don't want to catch that on the camera.
Mr. Wiggles, go. Go. Down the stairs.
So we've got this hurt dog, and we have her.
And we also have two in that cage over there. Let's go take a look at them. Hi, Oreo. And this is, I don't know this one's name, but yeah. We also have Mr. Wiggles. We got Pumpkin, Stella. Stella's a German Shepherd. And Pumpkin is the brown and white one. And of course we have the star of the show, Brownie. Wait. We also have Oreo over here. Oreo! Mr. Wiggles, Oreo, and Blue somewhere around here. Also, and I have my cat, so let's go visit the cat. Let's go visit my cat, guys. She's in her cage. I think he's in the house. I don't know where he is.
Honestly, I don't know where he is either. He ain't in the car?
Hang on. No.
No,
He's not in the car.
maybe up over here. The bathroom.
And right over there is Blue. It's windy.
I know it. There's tornado watches and stuff for Kentucky. We're supposed to be getting storms. He ain't back here on the back.
No, I was back there petting Josie.
No.
Oreo.
Huh? Yeah, I know it. That's why I've been watching.
I was back there. I didn't see him.
He's not in the open.
I was back there petting Josie.
He might be in there.
Where's the puppies? I ain't seen them today.
They're over there.
Huh? Where?
Over there on the hill. At their house.
Oreo. Mr. Wiggles, come here. Come here, Pudgy. Oreo.
We come no, he'll try to fight that dog. That little big dog will hurt him.
Yeah. Look at me eating Oreo. Look at me.
Oreo.
Yeah.
Come here.
No,
Oreo.
don't get him over here.
Oreo. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oreo. Oreo. I petted you before. Oreo. Come here. Oreo. Come here. Wait, seriously? I petted you before. I petted Oreo before. He's not. Why is he scared of me? I petted him before.
Did you?
I petted Oreo before.
No, I'm
Why is
talking
he
about
scared of me?
He's that way sometimes. This is weird.
What?
Daddy, this is weird.
I don't know.
No,
what
don't
it is.
try him there.
The last time I saw him was when I came out. He was in the kitchen.
Oh, well, he might be in the bathroom then. I just didn't see him.
You were in the kitchen. Anyone?
When I came out of the bathroom, he was in the kitchen.
That might be where he might be going through all that stuff, cleaning it, getting stuff out of it.
Come here. Come here, Doggy. What's this one's name? Hey, what's this one's name? Doggy. Hey. What's this one's name?
I don't know. Come to the dry grass.
Let's go. Wiggles. Mr. Wiggles. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mr. Wiggles. Come here. Go. Go. On the porch. On the porch. Mr. Wiggles, come here. Come here. Come here. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Why are you putting your paw at me? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Mr. Wiggles? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Mr. Wiggles. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Mr. Wiggles. Mr. Wiggles, come here. Come here. Who's a good boy?
What?
Mr. Wiggles, come on. Ah, don't hit Mr. Wiggles with the flying. Stop! Whoa, whoa. Don't actually do that.
What is it?
I'll expect Mr. Wiggles to leave us doing this.
Huh?